Hello, we are back. We're going to do a review on the Powerade Berry Ice, the red one. Those are my sunnies. And we got Subway for lunch. Look at this. Num nums. Had a craving for Subway today. So, what's a Nicky to do? Get it, of course. Let's get into this because this is the one my husband usually got. But the blue one is always going to be the favourite. Do a review of this one just a little quickly. I did a review on this one last night, but the blue one is always going to be my favourite. It tastes like bubble gum. I reckon it tastes like bubble gum, but do let me know in the comments section below what you think this blue one tastes like, and I'm happy to hear from you in the comments section down below. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you have not done so already. First, we are going to give this baby a try. That is not bad. It tastes like berry. It's got a really nice berry flavour to it. Gives you a red tongue too. So let me know in the comment section what your favourite Powerade flavour is. Having a little lunch date in the car. There we go. So this is not too bad. There we go. I'm going to let Mitchell hold on to that one for just a millisecond. Okay, yeah, that's awesome. Drum roll, please. Is lunch. Let's have. Got the pizza sub today from Subway for lunch. So, we're going to have a quick taste test. So, it's got onion, marinara sauce, cheddar cheese, and salami and ham. White bread and toasted. Subway is the best. One of my favourite places to go to. Buying 1 foot long and start between 2 people saves more money. So put that in, take notes on that. I'll do grocery shopping after this, and that's going to be fun. I hate grocery shopping. But get this out my house, I'm going to get fuel in the car, and enjoy a nice quick lunch break, bathroom stop, and that's just a summary of my day. So I'll be back later with more new content, so don't forget to hit subscribe if you've not done so already, and I'll be happy to see your comments down below, and cheers.